If you've been hearing rumors that under the big beautiful bill, overtime pay is tax-free, let's clear the air. While overtime pay is not going to be completely tax-free, there is a new deduction under the big beautiful bill that could save you real money at tax time. Starting in 2025, employees can take a deduction of up to $12,500 if you're filing single, or up to $25,000 if you're married filing joint. Now, the important distinction here is the premium portion of your overtime is what's deductible. So if you make $20 an hour normally, and overtime is time and a half, so you're making $30 an hour, it's that extra $10 an hour that's actually going to be deductible. The deduction will change the amount that you pay federal income tax on, but it won't change your paycheck week to week. Your employer is still going to withhold federal income tax, they're still going to withhold for FICA, they're still going to withhold for state, but then when you go to file, that's when you're going to claim the federal income deduction. Now, with a lot of deductions, this is pretty common, is that there's a limit to how much you can make and still take the full deduction. So for a single filer, it's going to be $150,000 of modified AGI, and if you're married filing joint, it's going to be $300,000. Above that, it's going to phase out. Now, if you're a contractor, think about how you might be able to provide this information to your employees at year end to make it easier for them to file their taxes. So in layman's terms, your overtime pay will be taxed, at least from a federal income perspective, as though it were not overtime pay, as though it were regular time pay. So keep track of your overtime pay and make sure to work with your CPA or your tax professional to make sure you get every deduction that you're entitled to.